My partner and I moved to a house in the countryside last year. We wanted to leave the city and find somewhere with a garden for our dogs. We now spend a lot of time gardening. We have a shed for our tools, a greenhouse to grow vegetables in, and a bench where we can sit down and relax during the summer. Our kitchen is modern and spacious. We have everything we need to cook and keep our food fresh, including a fridge freezer, an oven, a microwave, and a food processor. There are drawers for cutlery and utensils, and a lot of cupboards for storing food and cooking equipment. There is a dishwasher next to the door to the garden, but we often wash our dishes in the sink instead. In one corner of the kitchen, there are some boxes for recycling and a rubbish bin for general waste. And on the floor in another corner, there are our dogs' baskets and their bowls. In our downstairs bathroom, we have both a shower and a bathtub. Between them, there is a heated towel rail, so our towels are warm for us after a shower or bath. There's a bath mat on the floor to dry our feet. The toilet is in the corner of the room. There's a toilet brush on the floor beside it, and a toilet paper holder attached to the wall. I really like our living room. There's a sofa, of course, a big TV attached to the wall, 2 lamps, and an old armchair where I sit and read the news. Next to the armchair, we have a fireplace, which helps a lot in the winter. Our bedroom is upstairs. It's a lovely room, but we don't spend much time in it during the day. It has a wardrobe with a shoe rack inside, a chest of drawers, and a dressing table. It also has an ensuite bathroom, which is very convenient for us.